Your push-ups aren't building muscle. They're just giving you a cardio workout with extra steps. And before you tell me, but I can do 50 push-ups. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of doing absolutely nothing 50 times in a row. Here's the brutal truth. Most people treat push-ups like a speed challenge at a kindergarten field day. They crank out representatives as fast as humanly possible. Their form looks like a drunk worm trying to break dance, and then they wonder why their chest looks exactly the same as it did 6 months ago. You're not weak. Your push-ups just suck, and I'm about to fix that. You've probably been doing push-ups the same way since middle school gym class. Fast representatives, shallow depth, zero tension, and a core that's about as tight as a wet noodle. You think more representatives equals more gains. It doesn't. You think going faster means you're working harder. It doesn't. What it means is you're basically doing the fitness equivalent of spinning your wheels in mud. Lots of movement, zero progress, and your chest development is paying the price. But here's the thing, 3 simple fixes can turn your garbage push-ups into an actual chest-building machine. I'm talking about changes so simple you'll feel stupid for not doing them sooner. Fix these 3 things and suddenly every single rep actually counts. Your chest gets thicker, your shoulders get stronger, and you'll finally understand why people say push-ups are one of the best upper body exercises. Let me show you what's broken and how to fix it. Fix number 1, slow the hell down. Right now you're banging out push-ups like you're late for a meeting. Down, up, speed run world record attempt. Congratulations, you just turned a strength exercise into cardio. Your muscles barely have time to contract before you're bouncing back up like a pogo stick. Here's what actually builds muscle. Tension under time. You need to control the descent. Take 2 to 3 seconds to lower yourself down. Feel your chest stretch at the bottom. Feel your muscles actually working instead of just existing. Then explode back up with power, not bouncing. Exploding. That's 1 rep. That's the difference between doing 50 useless representatives and doing 20 representatives that actually grow your chest. Think of it like this, you're not trying to do as many as possible. You're trying to make each one as hard as possible. Slow down, add tension, and watch your chest actually respond. You'll do fewer representatives, but you'll get way better results. Quality over quantity isn't just a motivational poster, it's literally how muscle growth works. Fix number 2. You're not going deep enough. You're doing these sad little half representatives where your elbows barely bend and your chest is nowhere near the floor. You look like you're trying to avoid touching a contaminated surface. That's not a push-up, that's a suggestion of a push-up. Here's the standard, your chest should come within 1 to 2 inches of the floor. Not your nose, not your hips, your chest. At the bottom, your elbows should be at about 90 degrees or slightly below. That's a full range of motion. That's where the muscle building magic happens. And I can already hear you. But I can't go that deep. Yes, you can. You just need to regress properly. Drop to an incline push-up, hands on a bench, a box, even a couch. Go as deep as you can with good form. Build strength there, then gradually lower the surface until you're on the floor doing full push-ups like a functional human being. Partial representatives are keeping you weak. Full range of motion is what builds actual strength and size. Stop cheating yourself with shallow representatives and wondering why nothing's changing. Fix number 3, your core is off duty. Your hips are sagging like a hammock, your butt sticking up in the air like you're doing yoga, and your body looks like a broken bridge. This isn't just ugly, it's stealing all the tension from your chest and putting it straight into your lower back. Enjoy that back pain, buddy. The fix, lock your entire body into one rigid plank from head to heels. Squeeze your glutes like you're holding a winning lottery ticket between your cheeks. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Your body should be one straight, solid line the entire time. This does 2 things. First, it protects your lower back from turning into a pretzel. Second, it forces your chest and arms to do all the work instead of letting momentum and gravity carry you through the movement. More tension on your chest equals more growth. Simple math. And here's a pro tip, if your hips start sagging halfway through your set, you're done. That's not the set where you grind out 5 more ugly representatives, that's the set where you stop, rest, and do another set with perfect form. Your chest will thank you, and so will your spine. There you have it. 3 fixes that turn your push-ups from a waste of time into an actual chest builder. Slow down the tempo, hit full depth, and lock your core tight. Do this and every single rep becomes a growth stimulus instead of just checking a box. No more doing 100 push-ups and looking exactly the same. No more wondering why everyone else is getting results and you're stuck. Just clean, controlled, full-range push-ups that actually build the chest you want. Now stop doing push-up cardio and start doing push-ups that matter. Like if you laughed or learned something, or both. Subscribe for more gains and the occasional reality check. Your chest will thank you. Your ego might need a minute.